Okay guys, welcome to your 11th tutorial on html5, and here we are, hxtml5. Oh, what am I looking at? Looking at television, looking at the Pope here at the same time. Excusing what? Let's get back to this. Right, here we go. Now, there's another thing we call colspan, okay? So I made this table, and I gave it a border of 2 pixels, okay? Now in here, you can see I have a span, and I'm saying it's 4, which means is this attributes here, the color will, it'll be across each of these. Each of these will gain this attribute of red. Okay. Now, if I show you that, there you go. A, B, they're all red. Now, if I go back in here and change this to not this one to 2. If I save that, and if I go back in here, what do you think is going to happen? See this? See that? We've only gone span 2 now instead of the 4 because I changed it only to do 2. As you can see, the span is only 2, it isn't 4. Okay, so that's simple enough, okay? Then we're going to move on down and we're going to look at an array. Okay? And the reason I put this array in here, I want to show you this code thing here. You see this code? So basically what this is saying is here is that we can make this writing appear as code. Okay, see var cm is to do array 4. We could make this look like code. Okay, separate that there, save that again. So if I go back in here, this text, this syntax now should look like code writing. And there you go here. See that var cm new array 4. The text is not the same as this, but it's in code text. So if you're ever putting in an example of some coding that you did or anything like that, don't forget, just put these code tags in here and actually have the brains, not that I did, to close it. But you see in some browsers that will still work anyway. You might see sometimes through all of mine that you mightn't see they have the tags closed, but that's just, forgetfulness, just not looking at it properly. Now, up here, we want to look at this one, okay? And this one is very interesting. This is called your BDI, okay? BDI, directional text, okay? So basically is when we do our text, we get this. It will print out left to right just as this. But we can come across other texts, like this Arabic. So here we're putting in a bidirectional format and we're telling it what way to print it, okay? So, I'm just going to have to close this one, my little mistakes again. So if I go like that and if we go back into the browser and we refresh it, even though I just want to refresh it because I did mess that tag up. And if we do that, look, you see up here, see that text? It's been printed out in Arabic the exact same way that we have typed it. If you don't use BDIs, you could run into trouble because it mightn't be recognized. So that's basically if you're using different languages and you have to do certain things or certain writing. You just put it in by BDIs just like that. Okay, so that's all we have in this one. So we've looked at again the call span with a table border, which I did go over before, but I wanted to show that again. We've then looked at BDIs, okay, and we've then looked at coding, how to put your writing in computer code if you ever need to put some up. So simple enough, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Catch you in the next one. Bye bye.